Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today on Tech Addicts, my name is, we're going to be talking about my 1 month Linux challenge. I'm your host CJ, and enjoy the ride. Okay, so I spent about roughly a month in Linux, and I was like, I'm not like being like Linus or like Evo's Fox, whereas like you want to change the Linux environment and change it so you can for like a Windows to person to move over. You're not gonna do that, but I didn't do that. I decided to learn how to operate the command line terminal and everything else. I'm still learning, but I'm getting closer to it. So yeah. And some of my applications I didn't even know that I actually had a Debian compatibility. So yeah. So actually I'm having to record this on Windows because my Linux was not working for Facecam. This is turning off. Oops. But yeah, I've been playing an emulator on Linux called the emulator's called MGBA, and it actually has a Windows and Mac counterpart if I remember correctly. But yeah, it was like I just searched in Software Manager. It's like a better store than Windows has, and that's saying something. That Windows doesn't have a good store. So yeah, I find that being funny for me. Another thing is video editing it still never got video editing working. I had to be on Windows for it anyway, so But yeah, that's all that's been happening. But my use of a Windows machine it's just the ability to of playing games. I don't even play video games at all anymore. It's just uneasy for me to play video games. It's like every time I sit down on my computer, I'm not gaming. Arc I haven't played in a while. I just see the appeal of a console game where you have your physical disc, you put it in, and you start playing. My problem is I don't play games anymore. The latest too much in Pokemon, and that just got to the point where it's like I'm over it. I played Pokemon WomHack, Pokemon Source. I want to go back to playing, but something happened and made me just stop playing. What happened is when I did a teleport back to the using a God of War, it teleported me to a different part of the map, and now I have to backtrack and use YouTube videos to find where I am. So yeah, that's fun. So yeah, I'll probably get back into it. I have to get back into it before I start playing. And I want to play some more Pokemon WomHacks. What I do like is the Steam Deck. In my opinion, it's very well. I'll buy the $399 or $299 one and buy a 1 terabyte SSD just for storage, or SSD or micro SD. Either or works. But yeah, that's like totally like why bother. And Windows is a piece of junk in my opinion, so it doesn't work honestly. And that's how I wanted to redo this. Is like, Windows is not my favorite. The only time I have to use is when I want to redo my smart home, or have to redo or do video editing, and I'm gonna try to fix that in the future. I tried looking in Fedora, but my problem is I want to use the macOS software and stuff like that. So Fedora might be a later integration with it. But yeah, honestly, I've been happy with running Linux, It hasn't as a power user but non-active gamer. It's like amazing. Granted, I built up a different type of skill set because of school. Because the Chrome OS is, or Google, is it Chrome OS? Yeah, Chrome OS is basically it's Linux based. So I end up using, and I have a Chrome computer for school, so I used Chrome OS for school, and it's fine. It's just totally fine. That's my problem. I already have a skill set that's designed for a Linux environment, for a Windows environment. Again, I just don't play video games. Don't have time. Don't play them. And I'm just, my time is like, I only have Fridays, and today I only had about and not have much time today. I had like 5 hours because I'm going to work at 5, so it's like even less than 5. It's like, so yeah. Honestly, I'm just why do I need Windows? It's just buggy software for me. I'd be happier with something else. Well, that's my TED Talk over. So, if you guys like and subscribe, dislike if you don't care for whatever this content is. And see you guys in the next episode.